Good day everyone. In this video, I'll be showing you how to make coconut oil soap. The full list of ingredients will be in the description box. This soap is going to have 20% superfat because it's going to be meant for bathing. Here I'll be pouring out my hot pressed coconut oil. Please note this is hot pressed, but you can also use your cold press. This is what I have at hand. And here I'll be measuring out my water. I'll be using this to dissolve my lye or my sodium hydroxide or caustic soda. This soap is going to be super fatted at 20% because, as I said, it's going to be for bathing. As we all know, coconut oil is extremely drying to the skin, so we need to compensate by adding the 20% super fat. Here I'll be adding my caustic soda, which is my lye. Please always try to practice lye safety. Always wear your hand gloves and your face mask if goes. So here I'm trying to get my coconut oil. I'm showing you my coconut oil, and this is my lye and my water. I'm going to pour the water into the lye to dissolve it. Always stir until you don't see any granulates anymore. And always be careful because caustic soda, it's very hot, so you handle with care. I'm going to leave it aside for 30 minutes to cool down, and I'm going to heat up my coconut oil in the microwave for about 10 seconds to get it warm. Now I'm going to be adding my lye solution into my coconut oil. Yeah, you see that I'll be mixing it. I will be mixing it, but it won't come to trace fast if I use my hands. So here I'll be using my stick blender so that it can trace very fast. But you can still use your hands with a spatula, but it will take about 20 to 30 minutes to come to a medium or even a light trace. Here I'm trying to get to a medium trace. You just blend, you stick blend, you turn, you stick blend. Make sure to get every corners. Now I'm going to go ahead and pour it in my silicone mold. Make sure to always tap your molds to remove any excessive air bubbles because you don't want to have air bubbles in your final product. So because this is superfatted at 20%, I'm going to leave this in the mold for about 3 days because we live in a hot region. Coconut oil in this region tends to be at its liquid state. If you're in a cold region, you could unmold within a few hours, but because we live in a hot environment, it's always in its liquid state, and the 20% super fat is also going to be in its liquid state. So you're going to keep this for 3 days. Prior to bringing this out, I put it in the fridge for about an hour before popping it out of the mold because our soap is still a little bit soft because of our super fat, but it is still good, it is still okay. The more you leave it, the firmer it becomes. You're going to leave this soap to cure for about 4 to 6 weeks. I only put it in the fridge so that it will pop out of the mold easily. So if your soap is a little bit soft, do not fear, especially if you are in a hot environment like me. But if you are in other countries like the US or UK, you can pop it out within 24 hours. Now we're going to do a lather test on our soap. And of course, the expected results. Coconut oil soap brings out a lot of bubbles and lather, and it's extremely moisturizing to the skin. For me, very soft. I like the smell. As you know, always leave your cold process soap to cure for 6 weeks, 4 to 6 weeks before you use it. So this is it. Thank you for watching.